So this is our 2020 GLC 300 that unfortunately got a little bit of hail damage a couple weeks ago. It's really hard to show it to you right now, but here's a video from the day. Oh, it's hitting this car. I'm close to it. It might damage this one too. Oh sh! Oh no! Oh sh! Ah, dang it! It hit this car too. Wow. No, not a good idea.
Wow! Oh my god, this destroyed the car.
I tried getting it in, but
It's like a waffle.
I'm just checking on the house. Well, hopefully the Tesla is all good.
You gotta be kidding me.
It was a sudden hell, for sure. Let's see if there's anything wrong with this in a bit, but I don't think so. Because the house is not damaged. Usually when the car gets damaged, the house is also damaged. Just dried the car and there is dents on the hood. I don't know if you guys can see, unfortunately. Hopefully that car didn't get damaged when I opened the door. This is all I see. There's at least 10 or so dents on the hood. Right here on the driver's door. There's a big one and then a smaller one. Oh, there's one right here. I see something. Yeah. I don't see anything on the back part of the roof somehow. So yeah, I tried saving it, but you know, it started hitting the other GLC when I opened the garage door. The insurance company has come over, took a quick look and estimated the damage to be around $1,400. But today we will be taking this GLC to the repair shop where they will give us, I guess, the final estimate and see how long it will take to fix this. That day was pretty strange because I was literally cutting the grass and suddenly, you know, everything just shifted into like this heavy clouds. Then the hail started happening. I thought I should just go and move this car, put it where the Tesla parks, which is right over there. So I opened this garage. I was walking towards this car and I noticed now this golf-sized hail was hitting the white GLC that was inside of the garage. By the time I moved this car out of the way of the other GLC, I guess the hail would have damaged the front end of that GLC as well because it was literally hitting inside of the garage. So I uploaded a TikTok on that and a lot of people are like, oh, you left your car out on purpose so you get money from the insurance. You upload a video for people to judge, I guess. The funniest thing is I'm not getting a penny from the insurance in my pocket. They're gonna pay directly to the shop. I'm actually paying out of pocket a deductible for them to cover the damage. But yeah, those were some of the annoying comments I had on my TikTok video where I tried to save the car. We're grateful that our car didn't get damaged too bad. Some people had their houses damaged with the vinyl, like they had holes in it. People had their taillights that broke. Thankfully, only this car got damaged. The Tesla was fine. Let's drive to the shop. And I just arrived to POGAuto. Let's go see what they say. Gave the keys and it's gonna take about 45 minutes to get an estimate.
So without like labor and things like that, it's gonna be around $700. Getting a rental car is a bit tricky because rental cars are pretty much gone right now. So the appointment is for August 9th and today is July 16th. So not too far away, and hopefully we can get a rental car, but it should be dropped off in the morning and then we can pick up next day in the morning, hopefully. No damage on the roof. They did find one dent in the rear door here. So that's something I didn't see, but they did. And today is the day where we will be taking this GLC and getting the hail damage fixed. Gonna drop it off and then I'll pick my mom with this one and then we'll get back. And hopefully it'll be fully done today because they said if we bring it at around 8 a.m. then they'll be able to finish the whole work today and we'll pick it up before they close. So here on the mirror, I noticed that there was a paint transfer or paint missing. So I let them know about it. They did show pictures that the mark was there when they washed the car. So I'm assuming this was probably done by the garbage cans or it was just there. But they were nice enough to take it in and quickly fix it while we waited a little. And here's what it ended up costing. Subtotal $1,096.50. Now over here, this is due to the insurance company. And then we also had to pay the $100 deductible. So that was $1,151.32 total. I tried to be honest with all of my videos. Now this work could have been a bit better. That's because, example, on the door where there was the dent and also scratch, that scratch was not fixed from probably the garbage cans because of the crazy wind and all that. The reason I haven't really ask about all this or try to book another appointment is due to the COVID, and I also don't have the time to go and get this fixed. I can leave with it. I believe they do give a lifetime warranty with their work, but that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.